Very very okay. Please subscribe.
Welcome to my channel. Very okay. Today we're gonna prepare a delicious turkey in the oven. Yes, this is super easy and delicious, and turkey has a lot of vitamins. This is gonna be special, especially for Christmas and New Year's Day. Let's celebrate holidays with a good turkey. So here I have 3.5 kilos. Okay, I'm gonna wash the turkey first and prepare the turkey to have a delicious dinner. Remove the excessive skin. With a paper towel, I'm gonna dry because this is gonna be more easy to prepare. 4 cloves of garlic. You can add garlic based on your taste. And here I have green onions, about this much. I'm gonna chop my green onions and reserve. I'm gonna use black pepper. You can add according to your taste. I'm gonna add salt, 3 teaspoons of salt. This is gonna be super delicious. If you like this video, subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. I have here rosemary and smells super good. Very okay. I'm gonna chop my rosemary and reserve. Yeah, this is my butter, room temperature. I'm gonna use 6 tablespoons of butter and mix with the garlic and the rest of my seasoning. So here I have 2 carrots. I'm gonna slice the carrots. There is kohlrabi here to give more flavor, to release juice. I'm gonna cut and separate. Here I have onion to add more flavor. I'm gonna slice the onions that goes inside the turkey. Yes, more black pepper. I'm gonna use about 1 tablespoon. You can add according to your preference. I'm gonna add here 1 teaspoon of salt to mix with my black pepper, 3 slices of bacon, and this is gonna give me an extra flavor. So I'm gonna slice my bacon, and what I'm gonna do now is add the black pepper with the salt inside the turkey. You do like this way, and I'm gonna try to spread inside the turkey. And now I'm gonna add the vegetables inside. I'm gonna add 1 rosemary, about this much, and you add the bacon inside. And I'm gonna try to fit inside to release juice. So I'm gonna try to add the butter inside the skin. You do like this way. Yes, this is gonna be super delicious. I'm gonna try to spread the butter inside. Share this video, subscribe, thumbs up. Very okay. It's super easy and simple. I'm gonna try to spread the butter now, the entire turkey, like this way. So yes, you're gonna do like a massage in your turkey, and this is gonna be super delicious, okay? And now I'm gonna cover with aluminum foil. Super easy. I'm gonna put in the oven, 180. This is gonna be 3 kilos. So I'm gonna cook for 2 hours and check later if it's done. Okay, looks like this. I'm gonna remove the tin foil, put back into the oven to cook more. This time I'm gonna put into the oven for 20 minutes and check later. And you can check the temperature to see if it's cooked. And now it's ready. Wow, it's super juicy. I'm super hungry. Delicious food, only here. Very okay. Was super fast and easy to cook this way. You have to try this recipe. And now I'm super hungry. Let's celebrate this special day. If you like this video, subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
Very okay. Please subscribe.
Are you tired about your routine? Are you constantly feeling stress? Do you want to have more equilibrium to have a better quality of life? I have something special for you. The Ultimate Craft Design Orgonite course. Discover the potential that you have to create beautiful gems, pyramids, pendants, anklets, and there's more. I selected some ebooks for you to download as a PDF format. The Ultimate Craft Design Orgonite course. All tools that it's necessary for you to create beautiful gems.